Hello my friends, welcome to Music Class Teaching Tips. I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and I'm sharing some ideas with you on feeling the steady beat. Let's get started. The reason I'm sharing this is because you can take one chant or song and do 10 different activities with that chant and song. This will help you with your curriculum and lesson planning because then you can focus on the music concept instead of learning a whole bunch of new material. The reason I like this approach to teaching is because I'm teaching 7 grade levels, and if I can use one chant or song across several grade levels, helping my students to feel the steady beat, this is going to help me with my lesson planning, my curriculum. That way I'm not learning 10 songs to teach a steady beat. I'm learning one song and I'm using 10 different ways, which I can then apply to any song or chant I want to use in the music classroom. This is a proven and effective strategy to use, especially when you're a new teacher or even if you're an experienced teacher. For example, if you're working on a music program with your upper grades, you're going to want to have your other lesson activities be simpler and easy to do. You don't want to have 7 complicated lesson activities going on each and every day. I'm going to use the rhythm chant Engine, Engine number 9. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, will I get my money back? This is a simple and easy chant to use. I use it with my kindergarten students, and I have a whole kindergarten lesson unit based on this chant, where students learn beat, rhythm, loud and soft, high and low, and I've included some train movement activities with train music. The first way we're going to learn to play the steady beat is to clap the beat. Now, some like to clap, some like to pat. So that can be either or, either one of those is going to work. And when I first have the students learn this song, I don't have them say the words. I'm going to say the words and I'll ask them to pat the steady beat. So 1, 2, here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, will I get my money back? I can have my students pat the beat to any chant or song that I'm using in the music classroom. Another way students can feel the steady beat is to march it with their feet. Again, I'm not going to have them say the chant, I'm just going to have them feel it with their feet. 1, 2, ready, go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, will I get my money back? Engine, engine number 9 is a great chant to use with preschool, kindergarten, and even first grade students. Kids love trains and they love using this chant in music class. Another way to feel the steady beat is to move like a train. Let's make our hands be the engine wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody be a train. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train falls off the track, will I get my money back? Those activities are in the Sing, Play, Create free resource library. Go ahead and go to my website and you can subscribe to the weekly newsletter and you'll find this Engine number 9 free lesson with these activities in it. You'll also find steady beat charts and some other resources you could use to implement all of these ideas into your music classes. Thanks for subscribing to this channel, and let's keep kids moving and learning with music.